Can we delete user in Salesforce? No, we can't delete. We can deactivate users, but you cannot delete them outright. Deleting a user can result in open records and the loss of critical business information. Deactivating a user prevent access but preserve all historical activity and records. How to deactivate or freeze user? From setup in the quick find box, enter users and then select user and click edit next to a username and click on the freeze button. As for my understanding, under the user edit option, we need to click freeze button so that user cannot enter into the org with the is credential. About audit trial in Salesforce, the setup audit trials feature in Salesforce enable you to closely track changes made to user organization. It helps you track the recent setup changes that you and other administrators have made to your organization. This feature all modification concerning the administration, customization, security, sharing, data management, development, and more of your Salesforce organization can be especially useful in organization with multiple administrators. I'm add a snippet like this from our org. Go to click on setup in the quick find box. You can type audit trial. You will be find this navigation. That's it. Sir. Thank you all.
Okay. So what is the meaning of deactive user and freeze the user in Salesforce use? Deactive user means we cannot delete user first of all. That is fixed common. Okay. Deactivate means we can deactivate user. Okay. If you deactivate user, what will happen? You will get that Salesforce license will be released actually. You can use that license for other people. Okay. Freeze the user means just you can freeze the user. Okay. You cannot log in and license will be not released. Okay. Deactive means you can use that license for other users. Freeze the user means what? You cannot use that user license to other people. Everyone is following what I'm saying? What is the main difference? Deactivate and freeze the user. Hello? Deepika, what I'm saying, you're following or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, madam, what you understood. What is the deactivate user? What is the freeze the user?
Myself,
Yeah?
sir.
Yeah, madam, you will tell me. What is the meaning of deactivate user and freeze?
Deactivating the users will release the Salesforce license so that we can use for other user if we create. Freezing the user is like it deactivation of his access credentials to that org for a particular time or something. What is our requirement like thing? Is that right?
Correct. That license will be not
Period
released.
of time. Yeah, the license will not be released.
Correct.
Where we can deactivate, sir, actually we can find only the freeze button.
Checkbox is then active checkbox.
Active checkbox.
Yeah, that you can disable the checkbox. In the user record, there is checkbox, right, madam? Active checkbox.
Yes.
That you can uncheck.
Oh, it makes the deactivation of the user.
Correct.
Yeah.
And audit trail is very important. Generally, we can track like users what they did and everything. We can track in the audit trail. We can see last 6 months information. I guess there. You can export also what the changes they done in the organization.
Every user can see their information, or
no, they can see other users information. Also, admins can see all the users information, what they did, everything.
Yeah, admins can see. If I am the one of the user, I can see what the administrator did and the other things also.
Correct. You can check if you have access. You can see.
Okay, about my user thing, what the administrator did and what I did, what all the history will be there in the audit trail.
Correct.
Okay, not the other ones.
I think yes, all administrators can track all this.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can do one thing. Just you can stop screen. Bhavita, I'll share my screen. We'll see. Anyway, I have 2 users right now. We'll go with Varaprasad now. Is Varaprasad? Just click a setup. Just click audit trail. We can see what Shubham is doing or not. changes. He's modifying records, right? That we cannot see actually. Everything is Salesforce. That this is everything is changed by admin only. Last 6 months data you can export here. In Excel sheet.
Okay.
We cannot see like what this person is doing. Okay. For example, we'll try. Click setup. We'll do at least one modification. We'll try at least what is happening. What we can do is change the page admin notes. Okay, OWD, right? I'll change OWD. We'll see how it will look like.
You're
Anyone?
changing in Shubham?
Shubham with the Shubham credentials. Shubham is not admin, right? We'll see.
Yes.
It is visible or not. Your browser blocks.
he-
Okay, I'll go to the teacher object. Private. So, okay. Now first we'll see Shubham. What Shubham can see admin trial or not. Yes, madam. Everyone can say others complete information, madam. Yeah. See, Shubham also did something here. Correct?
You're
Varaprasad.
checking in Shubham or Varaprasad?
Shubham with Shubham, madam.
Shubham.
Yeah, in Shubham, you are checking the audit trial.
Correct. Even Shubham is getting, then automatically admin will also get everything. So everyone can see, all the users can see. Audit trial, their information.
Okay.
But you can see here.
Yeah, admin can see all the users' audit trial.
Yeah, not only admin, madam. I think Shubham also not admin, but he can see, right? Audit trial, other information also. Shubham also can see, right? He can see. Shubham is admin, not admin, right? He's a manager profile, right? But he can also see audit trial.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions are clear?